Lou and Love's Travels here, and today we are
in Ashover doing a 5-mile walk.
Yeah, and our good friend Patrick Leach, aka the Solitary Rambler, is leading the walk. So yeah, it looks like a really nice day today, nice and sunny and dry. So yeah, let's take you around and have a look.
Yeah. Right, so we are now heading towards Ashover Rock.
That we're walking on now kind of reminds me of the walk and the land in the walk that we did in Rowsley near Matlock. If you haven't seen that, you can check it out in the playlist. Yeah, it's sort of like a miniature version really, and then you've got like the trig point as well. So even though Ashover is classed as I believe is the sort of Derbyshire Dales, it is like a mini slice of the Peak District, this section. So yeah, it's good. So just in front of us, we've got Ogston Reservoir. I'm just going to zoom in for you so you can have a look.
And you can walk close to it, maybe not on the bank, I'm not sure. I've only ever walked around it once myself. It's that building there that's covered in ivy, or what's left of the building. So that building was Eastwood Hall.
Oh.
Yeah, so that was Eastwood Hall, and it was destroyed apparently in the Civil War in the 17th century.
So just basically an outside wall left of it.
That's all that's left, yeah.
Right, so far it's been an absolutely stunning walk, absolutely beautiful, the weather's superb. It's really sunny, isn't it, Lou?
Yeah, I say I can't believe how lucky we've got with the weather today.
Yeah.
There's nothing worse than walking in torrential rain, is there?
Yeah, Ashover's not somewhere we've actually been before, but guys, it's just lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's for those that don't know, it's about
5 miles from Matlock.
5 miles from Matlock. Yeah, so it's
yeah, pretty much unexplored with us, isn't it?
Yeah. Ashover Rock is just in the distance over there. I'm just going to zoom in. See if I can see it. There you go. It's there. I can't zoom in anymore, unfortunately, but yeah. So that's where we were. So we've come a long way. So it's now time to stop for a little something to eat and a drink, because we've just done quite a big climb. So yeah, I'm ready for something to eat now. Ashover lies in the valley of the River Amber, about halfway between Chesterfield to the north and Matlock to the south. It has a long history dating back to the Saxons, who called the village Esovri, meaning beyond the ash trees. The Domesday Book credited it with a church, a priest, several ploughs and a mill, with a taxable value of 30 shillings. The village was important to the lead mining and quarrying industries, and was also home to the stocking frame knitting industry, but little of that remains. Today, Ashover is valued for the beautiful countryside that surrounds it.